everyone, it's Claire from Twinkl and I'm here to show you a really lovely craft activity you could try for Father's Day on Sunday. Here are the things you will need: a glue stick, a pencil and a ruler, some scissors, our downloadable craft activity pack which includes this lovely speech bubble, a small photograph of whoever is gifting the card, 4 pieces of stiff card or paper in different colours and some little star stickers. Let's get started.
So first of all, take your card and fold it neatly in half, making sure you have a really nice crisp edge. Take your pencil and draw a line from top to bottom, making sure that you leave about 2 to 3 centimetres gap at each end. Push your pencil through to help make a hole, and then that will make it so much easier to cut through with the scissors. After you've cut your slit in your card, you want to get your different coloured pieces of paper and cut these shapes ready to make your rocket. Take some Pritt stick, and when you're ready, glue the triangle to the top and the other shapes into the correct position. Now this is where you're going to need your tiny photograph, so make sure you've cut it small enough to fit inside one of the windows of the rocket. Next, we need to decorate the card. Using the printout from our downloadable pack, pop some Pritt stick on the back and stick it gently onto your card, making sure all of the edges are neatly stuck down. Then, take a crescent shape and stick it onto the top of your card to be the moon. I actually used the offcut from one of my spaceship windows. Then grab some star stickers and make the background as exciting as you like. You could even add felt tips or colour in your own stars. When this is complete, take a long strip of card and your rocket. Glue them together carefully, and you need to thread it through the slit that you cut in your card, just like this. When that's done, you can blast off to space, ready to wish your dad a happy Father's Day.